Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S98 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just first hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And now we can see here the new created home screen folder. If you want to add here more application, you can make it by this way, or you just can click here to this plus icon and select all of the applications which you want to add to this folder. Then just tap here to OK, and now we can see here all of these applications. If you want to edit the name of this app, just click once on the name and enter the new one. Tap here to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully renamed our folder. We can move folder here on the screen just by this way, hold it and drag it to the position just where you want to change. If you want to move folder between the screens, that's also not a problem, just hold it and drag it. If you want, we can also create the new screen with the folder, that's also not a problem. And if you want to remove some applications from here, you can make it by this way, hold it and drag it to the home screen, or you can just hold the application, you can just tap here on this plus icon and unselect the apps which you want to remove, and then just click here to OK. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.